You gotta be hard on yourself. You gotta push yourself. You gotta find out what fuels that inner fire.
If you're thinking of going to a real estate event, the ones you got to get to are Glenn Twiddle's. Glenn has got amazing energy, and that's the beginning of a great event when you've got someone who's totally inspiring and inspired and great energy.
Glenn brings an amazing amount of energy and enthusiasm to our industry.
I'm really new into the industry, so having this is probably the best that I could have done.
Thanks for that marketing idea that you gave to me. It was the best idea I reckon I've had in the last 10 years, and it's generating lots of inquiry.
This was a life-changing session, and my staff, my videographer back there right now shaking his head. Right? He's feeling it right now.
My co-star in $1 Million Listings, Josh Flagg.
Up market, down market, it doesn't matter. Real estate always goes up.
There you go.
He's a scumbag, but he's my scumbag.
Well, my name's Josh Altman, and I'm a real estate-aholic. You're the CEO of yourself. You are the president of you.
This event, it's almost like it made itself, because the very rules to success that you are about to learn are the rules that got this to happen.